Test natin to, ENC 204DY G28. Shoutout kay Boss Michael. So full metal siya. Front assembly is metal. Metal din na receiver with markings. And then may dummy bullet yung mid-cap magazines niya. Sights. Ito yung sights niya. Ayan. Then din sa likod. Flip up din. Then yung stock butt niya. Ito. So may riser na rin for kailangan lang i-adjust. Ayan. And then may kasama na rin LiPo battery at saka charger. Ang price is 17,200. Available in black at saka DE. Sige, test natin. And guys, ito may floral din tayo dito. So kinuha na rin. So later natin to ito-test. Battery connection. Ayan. Battery connection. So yan, may technical issues lang. So low part yung battery namin. Okay, thank you kay bossing.